Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today on Sunday. Yes, Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to continue with the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, September the 4th, 2021. We have 3 puzzles left in this additional. Letter Sudoku we have here. Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. But first we will solve this letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number 3348. Yeah, 3348. Before I start, I always count the printed letters, not digits, but letters. 27. And for a puzzle or Sudoku with 27 printed digits or letters, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. But for a letter Sudoku, I need more time, because with those letters, it's always not the same, and with numbers, are always the same numbers, and you can do the double check. And here I cannot do this, so I think let me give this well, I need to be faster than 20 minutes. Yeah. All right, so let's get started. And those letters, the 9 letters, are the L, the G, the S, the K, the I, the A, the D, the E, and the J. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. Yeah. 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 We see a D in the 3rd row, the D in the 2nd row, so in the 1st row, the only place for the D should be there. D in this row, D in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the D should be there. K. So 2 letters are missing. In the middle row, the K is missing, and the and the S is missing. The K and S, we see here K, no K there. K should be here, and the S goes there. All right. So we have a K in the 3rd column, K in the 2nd column. So the 1st column, the only 3 places for the K should be here, or there. We see there K, no K there. Here also a K, no K there. The only place for the K should be there. I in this row, I in the row below, so on the last row, the only 2 places for the I should be here or there. We see there, and I know I there. I should be there. We have an S in the 1st column, S in the 2nd column. So in the 3rd column, the only place for the S should be there. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is I. We see an I, so no I in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the I should be there. I in the 1st column, I in the 2nd column. So the 3rd column, the only 2 places for the I should be here or there. We see there, and I know I there. I should be there. I in the third row, I in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the I should be here or there. We see there and I know I there, I should be there. I in the last column, I in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the I should be here or there. We see there and I know I there, I should be there. And all the I's are used, I can see. Letter number 1, letter I. Okay. A and J. Yes, J in this row. J in the middle row. So the row above. The only place for the J should be there. One box left in this big square for the letter A. Yes, the A. A is missing. A in this row, A in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the A should be here or there. We see there an A, no A there. A should be here. J, three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an L. We see an L, no L in these two boxes. So one box left for the L should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters E and the G. E and the G. E and the G. One letter is missing in this row for the letter E. Okay. Two letters are missing in this big square. For the letters S is missing. And the K is missing. We see here K, no K there. K should be here and the S goes there. K in the last column, K in that column. So the column between, only two places for the letters K should be here or there. We see there K, no K there. K should be there. K in this column, K in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the K should be here or there. We see there K, no K there. K should be here. And all the K's are used, I can see. Letter number 2, number K. Okay. S in the last row, S in the row above. So that row, the only two places for the S should be here or there. We see there an S, no S there, S should be here. S in the last column, S in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the S should be here or there. We see there an S, no S there, S should be there. S in this column, S in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the S should be here or there. We see there an S, no S there, S should be there. And all the S's are used, I can see. Yes. Letter number 3, letter S. All right. All right. Let me see. How about, the D in the third column, the D in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the D should be there. D in the last column, D in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the D should be here or there. We see there D, no D there, D should be there. D in this row, D in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the D should be here or there. We see there D, no D there, D should be there. And all the D's are used, I can see. Letter number 4, letter D. Yes. Okay, so we have A in the in this column, A in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the letter A should be there. A. Two missing letters in the first column. Those missing letters are the L is missing and the L and the G. Let me mark those. Cannot. LG. Yeah, LG. It's a brand, LG. Well, the other two missing letters in this big square are the letters A is missing and the E is missing. A and E. We see an E, so no E there. E should be here and A goes there. Oh, all right. So we have an E in the first row, E in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the E should be there. G and the J. Two missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the J. The J is missing. And the G is missing. The G. We have a J there, no J there. J should be here. And the G goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters L is missing. And the L and the J. L and the J. We have a J there, no J there. J should be here and the L goes there. How about those two missing letters in this column? The J is missing and the A is missing. We see here J, so no J there. J should be here and the A should be there. Oh, all right. So now we have two missing letters in the second row. The LG, we have a G there, no G there. G should be here. And the L goes there. One letter is missing in this big square for the letter L. Okay. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. J is missing. And the G is missing. We see here G, no G there. G should be here. And the J goes there. One letter is missing in this column for the letter L is missing here. Yeah, the L is missing. Two letters is missing in this big square. The A and the E is missing. We see here an A. No A there. A should be here and the E goes there. So we have A in the last row, A in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the A should be here or there. We see there an A, no A there. A should be there. And all the A's are used, I can see. Yes. Letter number 4. Letter A. Then L in this column, L in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the L should be here or there. We see then L, no L there. L should be there. L in this row, L in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the letter L should be here or there. We see there an L, no L there. L should be here. One letter is missing in the last row for the letter E is missing. All right. So we have an E in the last row, E in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the E should be there. Now we have an E here, so this box can't be E anymore. That box should be an E. And this box should be a G. One box left in this big square for the letter G. One box left in this row for the letter G. One box left, the last letter in this big square for the letter J, I believe. Yes, J, J, J. Finished in 50 minutes. Wow. I'm surprised because I thought maybe I need more minutes. Yeah, maybe in the 20 minutes, but 50 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, and my goal was to find this word. In Dutch, it's dagelijks. And it means, if we translate it in English, daily. Yeah, daily. You know, daily practice. Yes, daily practice. All right. Thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the other two puzzles: a Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic. See you then. Bye bye for now.